Aurangabad, oh my goodness, the city of gates. I will come over and over and over again, and I'll tell everybody, this is the place to be. I love the history of this place. The people are warm, the food is amazing, and the W20 conference, oh no, no woman who came here will ever be the same again. And guess what? We're not keeping it to ourselves, we're going to keep the fire burning, and we're going to set every woman on fire to go to the next level.
Super, yes. Thank you.
Aurangabad, a heritage city, beautiful. India is beautiful anyway. Incredible India, nature, and the heritage assets.
Of course, India is beautiful, and it's especially for this place is different and magnificent, and then so great. We are so happy staying here.
People always collaboration for this event. I love it. Wow, I will be here again. Oh yeah. And then the last time, I see the people in India, and I said, see you again, because in my mind, I will come again.
Oh, to come again.
And the last.
Yes, we went to the caves this morning to see the sunset, and it was just beautiful. It was so peaceful and just very, very beautiful, and also the history and learn everything about the caves was just very, very interesting.
What I personally love the most and have been most impressed with is the warmth of the people in Aurangabad. We could see everyone waving at us from outside on the streets, and it was a truly humbling experience. So impressed by everything that the city has to offer. I think the people of Aurangabad have a lot to be proud of.